This video will show you how to test correctly at home in 6 simple steps. It's important that you finish watching the whole video and become familiar with all the steps before you begin. Ready? Let's go through these steps together. Step 1. When you get your test kit in the post, open it. The swab, personal information form, and return envelope will be inside. Start by taking the sealed swab from the package. Step 2. Wash your hands and open the swab. Twist first to break the seal, then pull. The swab is attached to the cap and stays attached. Remember, don't throw the tube away. You'll put the swab back in it after you've collected your sample. Step 3. Get into a comfortable position that gives you access to your anus. For example, place one foot on top of the bath or toilet seat. Take the swab and hold it with your fingers just in front of the ridge, about halfway along. Relax and gently insert the tip of the swab into your anus. Twirl it around 10 times. Gently remove the swab. The bugs we're testing for live inside our cells, so it's important to turn the swab around for an appropriate amount of time when it's inside. Step 4. Place the used swab back in the tube and close tightly. Don't forget to wash your hands. That's the hard bit done. Now relax, complete the form you found in the kit, and write your name and date of birth on the swab tube. Step 5. Once you're done, put the form and swab tube in the addressed envelope and seal it. Step 6. All you have to do now is pop the envelope in the post, and you're done. So what happens next? Using the contact details you put on the form, you'll be contacted with your results. It usually takes around 1 to 2 weeks. If you test positive for chlamydia or gonorrhea, then don't panic. It's not the end of the world. The nurse will work with you to find the best way to get you treated.